Dear students, viewers and learners, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with RK. I am Ravindra Harinkere. Today we are going to discuss difference between British and American English, which is a very important topic. Now, why am I making a video on it? Because when we listen to any American speaker or British speaker, we fail to understand what they are willing to tell us. Why? Because we are not acquainted with the pronunciation they make. Let's get started. American and British English differ from each other in these four ways. And they are vocabulary, spelling, grammar, accent. It will take a long time to cover all these 4 points. Therefore, I will cover only 2 points, vocabulary and spelling, in this video. See, US stands for United States, means American, and US stands for United Kingdom, it means British English. There are certain words which are quite different in spellings, but they give the same sense. Like garbage, in American English we say garbage, whereas in British English we say it rubbish, like this. In the same way, in American English we say first floor, and in British it is ground floor. Here it is second floor, here it is first floor. In the same way, in American English we say apartment, and in British English we say flat. In American English we go on vacation, whereas in British English we go on holiday. So vacation, holiday. Here it is pants, here it is trousers. In American English we say TV, and in British English we say telly. Here it is mobile, cell. In American English we say football, and in British it is soccer. So these are a few examples that I have given here. It's a very long list. If you want to know almost all the words of this sort, you can Google and you will get all the words. Now we are coming on to the second point, that is spelling. तो ब्रिटिश और अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जिनकी pronunciation same hai. They are pronounced in the same way, but there is a difference in their spelling. Like license, here it is SE, and in British English it is CE. See, difference. Here it is SE, this one is CE. We can take many more examples like offense and so on. See, in American English it is organized, ready, and it becomes S in British English. Realize, REALI, ready, here it is ready, and in British English it is AC. So pronunciation is same, but there is a minor difference in the spelling. See, color, here we use only O. In American English we use O, whereas in British English we use OUR. Same way, labor, LABOR, and it becomes LABOUR in British English. Honor, the spelling of honor in American English is HONOR, and it becomes HONOUR in British English. So difference is in O and OU. In the same way, never, like this. See, कुछ वर्ब्स हैं जैसे हमने देखा CANCEL, कैंसल. What do we see? यहाँ लास्ट में कंसोनेंट आया है which is preceded by a vowel. तो ऐसा यदि लास्ट में कंसोनेंट हो, उसके पहले सिंगल वोवेल हो, एंड व्हेन वी ऐड द सफिक्स लाइक ed or ing, so this last consonant, here it is L, it gets doubled, double L हो जाता है. So the spelling of cancelled becomes CANCELLED. So is the case with traveled. In American English, TRAVELED, and in British English, it becomes TRAVELLED. So this is the difference. Or you can take example here, ING, MODEL, model. We are taking as verb. So when you add ING to model, it becomes modeling. So in American English, single L, and in British English, it becomes double L. See the spelling of catalog, analog, monologue. So इन सभी शब्दों में in American English we will use only LOG, and in British English we use LOGUE. So we use extra UNE. You can see the example of dialogue. DIALOG, this one is American English, and DIALOGUE, then it becomes British English. So is the case with monologue. Here I have taken the example of catalog, CHALOG, and here it becomes LOGUE. In the same way, in American English, we use SKIL, FULL, we use double L. Whenever we use full FU, so in American English, FULL, whereas in British English, it is FUL. We use only single L. So I am giving you one or two examples only, to make your understanding clear. See, very important thing, CER. In American English we use ER, and the same word center is written like this, CENTRE. So here we use ER, and here we use RE, center. I will tell you later on. In American English, it is pronounced as center, which we shall be discussing at the time of taking up accent. See the spelling of meter, METER, and it becomes METRE. Or we can take some examples like fiber, FIBRE, this one is British, and FIBER, this one is American. When you see any physical dictionary, you will get such words in brackets. BR stands for British English, and AME stands for American English. Some dictionaries use the words like US and UK. So the list is quite long, but like we can take some examples. See the spelling of diarrhea, DIARRHOEA. This one is the British English. But when we write the same word in American English, O here, it becomes DIARRHEA. So we omit the word O. Anemia, or you can say encyclopedia. These are the words. So encyclopedia has different spellings in both American and British English. So dear students, this is all about the difference between American and British English on these 2 points. I have covered only 2 points, vocabulary and spelling. The 2 points are still to be discussed. I will be making separate videos for that. One more thing I wish to tell you, हम अमेरिकन और ब्रिटिश स्पीकर्स को जब सुनते हैं तो we don't understand what they are saying only because they pronounce these three letters differently. C and K, T and P. We Indians pronounce C or K as ko, T as to, and P as po. In fact, the Americans and Britishers, they pronounce C or K as ko, T as to, P as po. In fact, there isn't any sound like ko, to, and po in English. They are ko, to, po. Just like we say car. I can't drive a car. A Britisher will say I can drive a car, and in American will say I can drive a car. So we need to know the difference so that we can understand any Native American or Britisher properly. If my video benefited you in any way, please don't forget to share, subscribe, comment and like it. Thanks for watching.